The learning sprouts!
A beautiful spring morning begins with exciting family plans. Deep in the whispering woods, a very special day is about to unfold.
Check!
Check! Yummy sandwichery sandwich basket packed?
Check! Check!
Next stop, Sunny Valley Railway Station. The majestic Red Express puffs white clouds into the clear blue sky. Friendly bunnies hop along the meadow, waving hello as the train rolls past.
Look at that!
Every window reveals a new magic trick of nature. Glittering rivers, tall whispering pine trees, and rolling green. Mama Hen shares her famous crunchy seed sandwiches, and Grandma tells funny stories. Hold on to your hats! The train is entering. Inside,
It's like a secret cave of echoes.
and pop back into the golden sunshine. Ahead lies Sunny Valley, glowing in the afternoon light. Auntie Rosie's cottage is just over the hill. Welcome, my sweet family. I've been waiting all... With hugs all around and sweet treats waiting,